Hey everybody, it's Jason from Useful AI Hacks. I got a really good one for you today. We're going to show you how to use AI to predict what stocks you should invest in. So here's a little known thing. It used to be up on OpenAI for a while, but they since have kind of taken it down away from, this area of the tools where you can select it. And what I'm talking about is the ability to schedule tasks. And I'm going to show you exactly how. You better save this video because you're going to need these very detailed aspects in your prompt to be able to get the task option to pop up. So what I want to do is I want to schedule an ongoing task that will be performed daily, every morning, to check the stock market for the top 5 stocks to invest in and give me a detailed investment strategy, including a suggested amount in the investment stock and the reason why I should invest. Then I want it to email me the report. So I tell it, here's the details of the scheduled tasks that I want you to create. I give it a specific role. As a stock market specialist with over 40 years of professional stock market experience in trading and getting the highest returns possible. Then I tell it the task that I want it to review the latest trends in the stock market for the top 5 stocks worth investing in and advise how much I should invest, being specific about the details. Now I tell it there that I already know the risk of investing, so it doesn't have to worry about telling me that. And then I tell it output, so I'm telling it exactly how to output the results. Display the top 5 stocks worth investing in and the suggested monetary dollar amount you think I should invest in each stock. Color code each stock and relating investment dollar amount, grouping each stock set and using the same color candlestick graph investment amount and text amount for each set of stocks. And then I tell it that I want it to display the result in the following by candlestick colored graph depicting all 5 growth of stocks, suggesting investment amounts over a dark blue black gradient background. We'll see how it handles that gradient. Let's see. I don't know. Then I tell it that's very specific, schedule task : What that's going to do is it tells it that I want it to schedule this as a task, not just run it one time. This is the only way to get this to run, guys, so save this video, like I said. But what I tell it to do is to run this stock investment evaluation task every morning at 6 a.m. Pacific time. When the report is finished running, send email. And then I tell it, send email details. Email the report, and I tell it the details for that. And I give it the email subject line, date, stock investment evaluation report. And the email body should say, here's a link to the top 5 stock investment report. Link to the report. Well, let's check it out. And like I said, save this for later, so you remember in that post all the details that you have to say to get this to pop up, a task. Now this task window tells me the name, what I had just told it to do in the instructions, and how often I want it to do it. You can change those, but I'm going to keep them the same because it's exactly what I want. So when I run that, it comes up with this. Top 5 stock candlestick chart simulated 10-day. So as you can see, it has the color-coded stocks right down here, and it has the dollar amounts right here, and it also displays it right here, full details. So the top 5 stocks to invest in: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, and Amazon with their tickers. It tells you the rationale of why you should invest in each one. So there you go. There's how to schedule a task in ChatGPT using O4 Mini High, and how to get it to repeatedly, daily, however often you want, send you a report with the top 5 stocks to invest in for that day. Thank you for watching. This is Jason James. Be sure to toggle that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified when our next useful AI hacks video launches tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific time. See you then.